Welcome to North Alabama Dumpsters LLC, your premier provider for dumpster rental in Holly Pond, Alabama. We pride ourselves on offering quality and exceptional service to meet all your waste management requirements. Our team is dedicated to providing efficient, reliable, and affordable dumpster rental solutions. Our extensive range of dumpsters, available in multiple sizes, ensures we can accommodate projects of any scale. Whether undertaking a small home renovation or managing a large construction site, North Alabama Dumpsters LLC has the perfect dumpster to meet your needs. Customer satisfaction is at the core of our operations. Our team of professionals is always ready to assist you, providing personalized recommendations to ensure you receive the most suitable dumpster for your project. At Alabama Dumpsters LLC, efficiency and reliability are the hallmarks of our service. We guarantee timely delivery and pickup so you can focus on your project without worrying about waste management. Need a reliable dumpster rental service for your next project? Visit our website at www.northalabamadumpsters.com. Dumpster Rental Holly Pond AL or call 256-931-5300 to explore our options and make your reservation. Choose North Alabama Dumpsters LLC for unbeatable service, reliability, and affordability, your ultimate dumpster rental solution.